How to buy domain from Shopify. First of all, log into your Shopify admin. Then from the Shopify dashboard, go to settings and tap on the domain. Then simply click on the buy new domain button available there. Then enter your business name in the text field to see the options available for you. Here you will see a list of domains with different extensions and their prices. You can have trouble finding your domain name accessible as a .com because it is trendy. Try one of the more uncommon extensions such as .store, .shop or any of the many others offered. Once you like a domain, you click the buy button next to the domain you want to purchase. To complete the transaction, add the payment method to your store. If you have not done so already, you will see the billing page where you need to add your payment details. After entering your payment information, you can change the personal information associated with your new domain. Then click on the buy domain option available there. And that is it. After successful purchasing the domain through Shopify, nothing is left to worry about. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.